Forget servers, forget Docker, forget spending an entire weekend watching your terminal spit out error messages, wondering why you ever decided to become a developer in the first place. I'm about to launch a full stack application onto the internet in less time than it takes for my chai to cool down. Welcome. Today we are slaying the biggest dragon for every developer, deployment. For years, this was the part we all secretly dreaded, but the old way is dead. I'm going to show you step by step how to use a platform like Vercel to take your app from localhost on your machine to a live global URL in minutes. Zero server configuration. This is going to change the way you build. Let's just take a moment to appreciate how painful the old ways was. You have to provision a server, SSH into it, configure a web server like Nginx, manage a database, set up SSL certificate. It was a whole separate career. The new way with serverless platforms, all you need is your code in a GitHub repository. That's it. The platform handles everything else. It's the ultimate focus on what you love. Workflow. What's your biggest deployment nightmare? Drop the horror stories in the comments. Let's have a group therapy session. Okay, so you want to follow along. You need exactly two things. One, an app. I've got this simple Next.js portfolio I've been working on. Two, that code needs to be on GitHub. That's it. Seriously, let's put 5 minutes on the clock and do this. First, head to vercel.com, sign up the GitHub. This is the magic key that lets Vercel see our code. Once we are in, we hit add new project. Vercel instantly shows us our GitHub repos. There's our portfolio. Let's click import. Now for the hard part. Vercel is so smart, it already knows this is a Next.js app and has filled in all the building settings. We don't have to touch a thing. The only thing we might add is a secret API key under environment variables to keep them safe. And now, the moment of truth. We just hit this big beautiful deploy button. That's it. Vercel is pulling our code, running the build and deploying it at its global network of servers. No command line, no configuration files, just a click. You can watch the whole process in the build logs. And we are live. In just under 4 minutes, we have a public URL. Let's click it and there it is, our app live on the internet. So there you have it. Deployment is no longer the scary monster at the end of your project. It's now the easiest part. With tools like Vercel, the barrier between your idea and a live product has completely vanished. You now have a superpower. Go use it. Now getting your app live is amazing, but the journey isn't over. How do you add a custom domain? How do you handle analytics? How do you make it truly production ready? To help with that, I've created a production ready deployment checklist. It's an essential guide that covers all the critical next steps after you hit deploy. If this video just saved you hours of future headaches, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe because we are going to keep building the future the easy way.